Hi, so today we're going to go over how to add a video call to your Google Calendar. So you will go to your Google Calendar and make sure you're logged into your correct Google account, which I am now. Go to Google Calendar. Let me switch it over to my other Google account. There we go. Okay, so we're here on September 2020, and you will go up here to Settings, and you will skip Language and Region, Time Zone, World Clock, and go down to Event Settings. And you can automatically, so mine already says automatically add Google Meet video, so you want to click on that, and then we will go back out of settings, and you will, so I want to make a weekly video chat for every Friday of every month. So I'll click on the 25th, go to more options, and add a title. Once you name the meeting this, then you can go down, show that it is on September 25th, and you can put does not repeat, but you want to go down here and repeat it on weekly on every Friday. It will be like you can add it as a Google Meet web conference and put in Google Meet as the location, and then you can put if you're available or and who can visibly see it, and then over here you'll add your guests. So we will add my Louisiana email, and you'll push save, and this is where it'll bring it to. You can send invites if you don't have, if your Google Calendar guest does not have a Gmail account. So I will send the email, and right here it's from there on it shows a weekly conference every Friday. And that's it.